The following is a demonstration of hazard mapping, a tool that workplaces can use to identify hazards in their workplace.
Thank you all for taking time to meet today. As you may know, the leadership team is committed to improving worker well-being. So today, I'd like your help to address work-related hazards. We're going to try something called hazard mapping. One of the great things about getting this diverse group together is that we all have different perspectives of hazards that may not be observed from day to day. I'll draw out the basic layout of our building, and we can draw hazards on it.
I hope you're okay with stick people, because I can't draw much better than that.
That's fine. We just need to get an idea of where hazards are, not a perfect drawing.
No, the safety team addresses hazards in our walkthroughs. Yesterday, we identified that the widget cutting tool has started throwing metal shavings on the operators.
Okay, so let's add that to the map.
So what about the boxing machine that's too short for the big guys working on the floor?
That sounds like an ergonomics issue that we should add to our map, right here.
You know, Jose mentioned he almost slipped on cardboard dust over there just last week.
I thought the vacuums were catching all that.
Those vacuums are pretty old. Somebody should have maintenance check them out and, see if they need to be replaced.
Let's go ahead and add it to our map. There's a hazard we've known about, so it should be addressed. Those vacuums really help keep the air clean in the plant, but the offices still get so stuffy.
I wonder if there's something wrong with the HVAC or we don't have enough fans. Maybe we could add them to the map.
Certainly.
I've heard that other companies are cleaning surfaces and door handles every day. Is that something we can do at our plant?
Oh, absolutely. We just received a shipment of sanitizer.
New cleaning and sanitizing policies will be announced this week. Let's add high traffic areas to our map. We can add a star to any heavily touched surface.
How about the break room?
And by lockers?
Great.
Is there a way to add stress to the map? The mandatory overtime is becoming hazardous.
Yeah, I've barely seen my kids in the last 3 weeks.
That's actually a great example of a non-traditional hazard. Let's go ahead and add it.
I agree. By the end of a 60-hour week, it's hard to stay focused.
We've certainly been busier this year, but we could do something to help everyone manage their work-life balance. What are some other things that make work stressful? We can list them as non-traditional hazards.
What about angry customers?
Exactly.
We also have a lot of people with kids at home. Maybe we could think about having childcare on site.
But only if they could watch my grumpy old dad, too.
Well, we should revisit our family caregiving policies to see if there's more we can do as an organization. I'll add that to the map. Looks like our time's up today. Let's plan to take this map back to our teams for feedback, and then we can meet again next month to determine next steps. Sound good?
Works for me.
Perfect.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you. I think we're off to a great start.